light-weighted Cossack squat. Grab hold of a very light weight and sink down into your Cossack position with your arms extended out in front of you. The arms out in front of you will increase the amount of counterbalance that the weight is doing and therefore will help you. So gradually start to bring that weight in closer to your chest until you can get it to touch your chest without falling over backwards or overly rounding your back. Make sure that you can hold this position relatively comfortably and for a minimum of 30 seconds, and then repeat on the other side. Once you feel comfortable with a particular weight, you are going to swap to a lighter weight and repeat this process. Just remember that this process of lowering the weight and gaining mobility in your Cossack is not going to happen overnight, so be patient. It could take weeks.